So the way you would replace it is you would come out here, look at it from this side, and you will notice that there is that socket right there. You see that? These wires. So you are going to have to spin the socket. Let me turn this light on. Spin the socket, and it should come out just like this. And now the bulb can come out. Oh, it came off. But the bulb, you just wiggle it out and it comes right out. And to install it, do it in reverse order. Put the new bulb in, click it, and let's bring it back here. Slide that in and twist it all the way and plug it in until it clicks. Done deal. That's how you replace the turn signals on a Jeep Wrangler. The same procedure will be repeated on the other side.